Yes, can I help you? Yeah, this is immigration. You're under arrest. Oh no, why did I open the door? I'm not opening the door this time. I've always wanted to install a doorbell with a camera, be able to wire it up with my existing doorbell power, use Wi-Fi instead of Ethernet, and that's why I decided to buy the Nest Doorbell 2nd generation to meet those needs. Let's talk about what the installation was like, the pricing, some of the pros and cons, some of the great features that it has. And there's one annoying thing that I wish I knew before committing to it, but stick around for the entire video and I'll let you know what that is. It may not even affect you depending on where you live. Let's get started. There are two versions of this Nest Doorbell, a wired one and one with battery, which can also be wired. I hate having to charge things, and I chose the battery one since you can do both. After checking the power requirements, my existing doorbell power met the requirements and I went ahead and ordered it. I ordered the doorbell in February of 2023 and paid $179. This 2nd generation comes in 4 colors including snow, linen, ivy, and ash. I chose the ash color. Now, before you physically install the Google Nest, you have to fully charge the Nest and hook it up to your home network using the Google Home app. The physical installation was fairly easy and straightforward. I removed my old doorbell and unscrewed the power. I drew in new pilot holes with a marker, made the new holes, attached the power cables into the Nest, and screwed it back on. It took about 15 minutes for me to complete installation. And after installing it, my existing doorbell chime worked.
Someone's at the front door doorbell.
Along with a voice notification that you get on your Google Home devices when someone is at your doorbell. Now, when the camera detects a person, animal, package, or car, it will record them. You can change the setting to only record people if that's what you want. This feature is useful since it's nice knowing who's walking around your property. Once an event is recorded, you can look back at what was recorded using the Google Home app. Without any subscription, you are able to look at past events from the previous 3 hours. If you get the paid subscription with Nest Aware for $6 a month, you can see up to 30 days of event video history, or if you get the Plus version, you can view up to 60 days of events and 10 days of continuous 24/7 video history. That one will cost you $12 a month. And if you want the 24-hour, 7 days a week video history, it seems to only work on the wired version and not the battery one. The video quality is pretty good with an HD resolution of 960 x 1280 with 30 frames per second. When it's nighttime, it brings nice night vision, which works pretty well. You can also record the audio if you want. When someone rings the doorbell, you're able to speak to them and they can hear you, so that's pretty cool. Now, this is where things get interesting. The doorbell does a good job protecting itself from the elements with its IP54 weather resistant. However, I live in North New Jersey in the United States, and it can go below freezing temperatures during the winter months. And this is where I move on to the negative. We have been noticing when temperatures drop below 30 degrees Fahrenheit, the unit stops charging the battery even though it has continuous power. Since I have not had consecutive days with freezing temperatures this year, I'm concerned that during the harshest winter days in January of next winter, the unit will just die until the outside temperature warms up again. I'm not sure if this same issue happens with the wired only version. If you have that version, let me know in the comments if you have this issue too. Overall, the camera works well and I like the video quality of this Nest. The cold temperature issue does concern me and I wonder if I'll have to replace it because of this. Only time will tell and I'll update once that time comes. And if you enjoyed the video, give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more tech content. Until next time, Ultra Tech out.